Great job! You have now successfully made it to the third lock. We are almost there. So with 2 locks down, 1 to go. You're doing great. Let's take care of the third lock. So let's see what we're looking at here. So even the Thanksgiving thwarter loves to eat some pie. I asked some of my friends which is their favorite kind to try. I graphed their answers and made up the lock code. You'll have to answer my questions if you want pie a la mode. And a la mode means served with ice cream. So we need to answer the questions about this bar graph to find a 3-digit code. Let's look at the first question. Blank more people chose pumpkin pie as their favorite than pecan pie. So let's find out, looking at this graph, how many people chose pumpkin pie. Looks like 10, because I see the bar lines up with 10. What about pecan? There are 4 people that chose pecan as their favorite. So now, knowing that, how many more people chose pumpkin than pecan? When you find that, that will be the first number in the log combination. Let's look at the second one. Blank fewer people chose pecan pie as their favorite than those who chose apple pie. So let's look. We need to find out how many people chose pecan pie. We just saw that last time. It was 4. And then we need to find out how many people chose apple pie as their favorite. That was 14. So how many fewer people chose pecan pie than apple pie? When you find that out, that will be your answer to the second combination in the log. Let's look at 3 to get our third answer. Altogether, blank people chose either pumpkin, chocolate, or pecan as their favorite. So to find that out, we need to add up the amount of people that liked pumpkin, chocolate, and pecan the best. We only need to add up those 3. They are not asking how many people liked all 4. They are asking how many people total liked pumpkin, pecan, and chocolate. When you solve that, you will have found the third number in the combination. So now, to open the lock, you need to take all 3 numbers that you got from those problems and write it down here. And you need to write it exactly like this. So these aren't the numbers you're going to use. That's just how you would write the numbers. So for example, if the answer to the first one was 5, you'd write 5. Then remember, write a dash right afterwards. Then you would write the next number, the answer to the second question. Let's say it was 21. It's not. Then you do another dash, and then you'd write your answer that you got for the third one. Let's use their example 3. So you would write it like that, and then you click next to move on to the next block.